Sorry from Little Blue Deer Design, and today I'm going to show you how to add a new easy digital download to your website or blog. And a digital download is just a downloadable file. It is different from an actual physical product because it's digital. You can sell or give these away on your website pretty easily. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to assume that you already have easy digital downloads installed on your blog and set up. I'm just going to show you how to add a new download. So I give away free desktop backgrounds and printables on my blog. So sometimes I need to add a new desktop background or printable, and I'm just going to show you how to add a new easy digital download. It takes about 2 minutes, very simple, and it's going to come out looking something like this. So what we're going to do is go to Downloads, Add New. This is in your WordPress dashboard. And the first thing we're going to do is title our download. So I'm just going to call mine October Desktop Background. This is the name of the download. Now, just like in the WordPress post editor, there's an area where you can add images and text. So in this area, I like to add an actual picture of the download itself and then maybe a little text description. So I'm going to go ahead and add media. And I'm going to scroll through my library here. And I'm going to choose one of my desktop backgrounds, and I'm going to click Insert into Download. And the image will show up here. And then underneath, I'm going to add in my free October desktop background. This is just a short description of what the download is. Okay? Now we're going to pop on over here to the right-hand side of the page. If you have categories set, if you only have a few downloads, don't worry about categories. I have a couple. I'm checking desktop backgrounds. Skip the tags. This is important, the download settings. So leave this file download limit to 0 if you want people to be able to download as many files as they want. Most people do not want this. They want to limit the downloads probably to 1. So I'm going to set this to 1. You can skip the item quantities. You can skip the Disable Automatic Output button. I like to use the Buy Now buttons. They are simpler and easier. So I'm going to choose Buy Now as my button option. And now I'm going to scroll right on down to the download image. This is the same thing as the featured image in your blog post. This is the featured image for the download. So I'm going to click Set Download Image. And once again, I can either upload an image, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down and see if I can find my image, which now I've lost it. Okay, there it is. I'm going to click this, and I'm going to click Set Download Image. So this is just the featured image that goes with the download. Now, most importantly, come back over to the middle here, download prices. Now, most people want to charge something for their downloads. So what you're going to do is set your download price here. I'm just going to set mine to be $1. It can be whatever you want. Don't click the Enable Variable Pricing. The most important part is the Download File section. This is where you're actually going to upload the file. The featured image and the image up here at the top are not the file itself. This is the file, usually a zip file, that you want people to be able to purchase. So all you have to do is click on Upload a File, and we're going to scroll through. I'm going to insert my zip. I can change the file name here if I want. If I need to add more files, I can. We're going to stick to just one, but this is the zip, or it might not be a zip. Usually it's a zip file that people are actually going to purchase. And that's it. Now all you have to do is click Publish, and your download will be live. I'm not actually going to publish this one. I'm just going to preview it. But when I go to preview, you're going to be able to see what the download actually looks like. And here it is. There's the download, there's the image, there's my text description, and as you can see, there's my Buy Now button. Now, One thing that you might want to do is to create a static page or maybe publicize your download in a blog post, and you want people to be able to go right to the download to purchase it. So that's where the shortcode comes in. This is, once again, super simple. This is the purchase shortcode. This is actually the buy now button. It shows up as a shortcode. All you're going to do is copy it. And then I have a blog post that I set up today. Say that I want to add to this blog post, don't forget to check out my new desktop background. So all I have to do is to paste in the shortcode. And now you can see when I go to preview my blog post, once again, I'm not going to publish it. I'm just previewing it, but you'll just want to publish or update. And I scroll down, you can see there it is, the purchase button. So if you want to set up a static page or a static blog post and you want to be able to link in to your downloads, then all you have to do is paste in, once again, the purchase shortcode. You can put this anywhere that you want on your blog. And you'll click purchase, and you can see that the user will then be taken to the cart where they will be able to check out and purchase your desktop background. So I hope you've enjoyed my tutorial. I have a whole bunch of different WordPress tutorials. If you go to littlebluedeerdesign.com/WordPress-tutorials, you can scroll through all of them. And if you have any questions, please feel free to leave me a comment in the video. Thank you so much for watching.